This is Ben from Testive, and we're looking at a new SAT algebra problem. This problem gives us a scenario. Every day, Emily bakes wheat bread and baguettes in her bakery. The bakery can accommodate 11 wheat loaves per hour and 7 baguette loaves per hour. Emily's target is always to produce a total of at least 9 loaves in less than 1 hour. If Emily bakes W wheat loaves and B baguettes, which of the following systems of inequalities represents Emily's target? Okay, so what this problem should specify is that we can see that the first inequality for each answer choice is in loaves, and the second inequality is going to be in hours. And we can see that just by the option is only the top inequality has 9 on the right-hand side, and we know that Emily's target is to produce at least 9 loaves. Okay, so if she wants to produce at least 9 loaves, we know that the B baguette and W wheat added together as her total must be greater than or equal to 9. So don't get tricked into thinking less than because we're talking about at least. At least means greater than or equal to. So if that has to be greater than or equal to 9, we can rule out our first 2 answer choices. So now all that we need to do is think about if this is in terms of hours, well, let's see. Multiplying the number of loaves by 7 or by 11, that's going to give us a really, let's say that we have, 4 wheat loaves and 5 baguette loaves. Well, that's going to give us something like 28 plus 55. It's going to be way greater than 1, right? 28 plus 55. So we can actually rule out D by that process, and we can choose this answer choice as our correct answer, but let's just confirm that. So we actually know that B baguettes, that the rate that Emily is baking at is B baguettes over 7 baguettes an hour. So the baguettes cancel, and that gives us a rate of B over 7 hours. And similarly, the same thing for W wheat over 11 wheat per hour. The wheat cancels. This is sort of like something you might learn in a science class, is this kind of cancellation. Maybe chemistry, for example, gives us W over 11 hours. And when we add those 2 things together, they need to be less than 1 because she's trying to bake 9 loaves in less than 1 hour. So we can confirm that this is the correct answer choice.